Okay, let's talk about Margaritaville at the Sea Islander. Obviously, this is a refurbished ship, whether it came from Carnival or Coaster or whatever, but they've done a very nice job in redecorating these things and going with the theme that you're going to see in our upcoming videos from around the ship. But anyways, I wanted to give you a quick stateroom tour here. This is very similar to a Carnival room. It's small. We upgraded about $700 and got the balcony because we need a little bit more space, but that's just us. Couch over here, queen size bed, you got your TV, got your sitting area, you got your desk, drawers, cabinets, got the weird balcony with the door over here, which you don't see very often anymore, but yeah, pretty cool. It's tiny, but it'll do. Just need a place to hang our hat here for a couple days. So we sail to Cozumel and back. And of course, there's always the cruise ship bathroom. Got a curtain, so you'll be able to stretch your arms a little bit, but yeah, very tiny, but it'll do. Just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by again, and we will talk to you guys real soon. Take it easy. Bye.